Hello, I am Devang Desai. Today we are going to do kundalini yoga movement. There are 9 various kundalini yoga movement. Then inhale and plank. Exhale and come to the floor. Inhale and cobra. Exhale and triangle. Inhale and plank. Inhale, keep doing this for 12 repetitions and we must do 3 sets. The major benefits of this asana are it increases your core strength, it increases your shoulder mobility and shoulder strength.
Hello, I am Shila and today I am doing the mandatory poses. The first I do the Ustrasana. The who should avoid seconds. Benefits of the Ustrasana: it increases the back bend flexibility, it stretches your spine, back and shoulder. It's good for the it expands the respiratory organs, so it's good for the respiratory disorders such as